Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to log into T-Mobile Home Internet. So, let's get started. Method 1. Log in to your T-Mobile account. Following this method takes you to your T-Mobile account dashboard, so you can pay bills and manage your data usage and connected devices. First, launch the Safari browser and visit T-Mobile's official website. Then, tap the My Account button at the top right corner. Then, tap on the Login button. Afterward, if you have your T-Mobile ID, enter your email address or phone number and hit the Next button. If you don't have a T-Mobile ID, hit the Sign Up button and enter the required details such as your first name, last name, phone number, and more. Make sure your sign-in information is correct. Then, enter your email ID and password. At last, hit the Create T-Mobile ID button to proceed. If you don't want to log in, you can click the Pay as a Guest button. Then, enter your details and proceed to pay. That's it. Method 2. Log in to Home Internet Gateway. This method allows you to manage your T-Mobile Home Internet Gateway settings. Let's examine the steps. First, connect your device to T-Mobile Wi-Fi. Then, launch the Safari browser and visit the website link displayed on video. The login page appears here. Now, enter your admin password. If you don't know, check on the gateway label. Now, you can check and change your Wi-Fi name, network settings, password, and more by using the T-Mobile Home Internet app or router settings on web browser. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.